Hey guys, this is Meso. Come on into my kitchen today where I'm gonna be making something good and I want you to see what it is. I want you to know how to do it and I want you to make it for your family. They're gonna think you're a kitchen rock star. Come on, let's get started. Let's check out our ingredients. Here we have some country style pork ribs. We're going to be barbecuing them. This is 1.77 pounds at $2.79 a pound. So it comes to a total of $4.94. These are frozen rock hard honey. They've been in my freezer. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to let them thaw and I'm going to put them in a bowl. Put about a fourth of a cup of vinegar, maybe half a cup of vinegar. And then I'm going to put water. I'm going to put water up to enough to cover these back bones. What I'm going to do is let that set 15 minutes. Then I'm going to pour that water off and put some more water in. And I'm going to let that set for about 5 minutes. I'm going to pour it off and put some more water in. That time I'm going to be rinsing it, and that's going to be my final rinse. My crock pot has been heating up for about 30 or 40 minutes now, so my water is already hot. And do that. That's better than letting it, you have to heat up from a cold crock pot. It'll take you longer for your stuff to cook. I'm getting these country styles backbones down in this pot, and I got the pot on high. And let's season with some Goya adobo seasoning. Man, that's looking good. I like the adobo. We're going to come right back with some garlic, baby. We're going to just put some garlic powder in here. Use as much or as little as you like. Also, feel free to change up your spices. Put whatever spices you like in this, honey. Me so can't tell you what to do. And I'm going to put in some lemon pepper. Oh, man, it looks pretty. Looks good. I'm going to put about half of a medium-sized onion on here. I'm not going to serve it with the onion. I'm going to take the onion off. Now I'm going to let this cook on high. It'll take about 2 hours and let's see, maybe 2.5 hours maybe. And I'm going to let this cook, and I'll be back. In the oven, 2.5 hours, 2.5 hours is already happened. Let's check it out and see what we got. You all see how this water is bubbling when it gets on high? I smell it now. I smell it. Ooh, I wish you could too. So good. This is going to be good. I can't wait. So now we're going to get these out and get them onto a plate. We're going to give them that sauce. We're going to give them that good sauce on this plate, on this pan actually. It's a pan. So here I have just some really sweet, Kraft sweet barbecue sauce. And I'm going to just put this. You don't want a whole lot. I don't want it swimming. I don't want to slather it. Just want a little bit right on top. And then I'm going to use a different kind of barbecue sauce for me. I am not eating sugar. And so I'm going to get this sugar-free Mr. Hughes barbecue sauce. I've had it before. It is really, really good. It tastes sweet. I don't know how he does it, but he does. This is going to be so good. So we're going to put these into the oven. It's preheated at 350 degrees. It'll be in there like 12 to 15 minutes. I've made this plate. Look at this cookie. I have greens, I have pinto beans, I have rice, and then these country style barbecue backbones. These are pork, y'all. Smells good. I've already tasted them. They are delicious. I wanted to share them with you. Why don't y'all make this? Listen, guys and gals, make this in your very own kitchen. Make it for your family, your loved ones. Make it for your neighbors, your friends, your enemies, your frenemies, whoever you know. Make this for them and see won't they fall in love. They'll look at you and they'll call you a kitchen rock star. Oh yeah, they will. Give it a try. It's very easy. Y'all want to thank y'all for coming over. to check on me today to see what I was doing. Well, you knew I'd be throwing down, and I hope I did not disappoint. If you like my channel, please give me a thumbs up or a like. If you are active anywhere on social media, please just share. Just click that share link and share my videos wherever you're active on social media. Tell anybody that you know. If they're on the internet, tell them about my channel and tell them to come and take a look at my channel. I sure would appreciate it. You'd be helping me and you'd be helping them to learn how to cook even better, Meso style. Guys, I love you, appreciate you. Be good, be kind, share your love, and most of all, cook something and share your food with somebody. Bye bye.